Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Yes, I am blessing you with another makeup tutorial, and today I am reviewing two new matte lipstick Colourpop lipsticks, and y'all know I love matte. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you through my makeup steps, and then we will get to reviewing these little lipsticks that I got, and I'm excited. So yeah, stay tuned. So it turns out one is matte and one is a liquid lipstick. And this one is Pearl Next Door and this one is Rooge. So today I'm switching up a few of my products. I am using this CLARINS base Comblante. I don't know in French how to say it in French, but it's basically a primer. And I like it. It is more mattifying. It's not very like extremely moisturizing, but I think for my skin it's actually okay. It's not too dry. So I'll be highlighting my eyebrows with my chestnut primer, LA Girl, and with Fawn. Switching up my foundation with my MATCHMASTER MAC foundation, and it's the color 9.0. This blending is hurting my arm. Okay, so we'll get back to the eyebrows once makeup is on. I'm gonna go in with my cute AF palette. I'm gonna experiment with a few colors. I'm gonna use this color and the yellow, and they are Louis and French Kiss. Please excuse the mess. Excuse the mess. This box is not very good when it comes to mess resistant. I'm gonna start with the Louis and put it on my outer eyelid. So again, I'm going to put a white base color in the middle of my eyelid, just so that the yellow can pop out and there can be a distinction between the two colors. Blend it out. Okay, now I'm going to contour using my LA Girl concealer and the color Fawn. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty MATCHSTIX, the shimmery color. I still haven't figured out the exact way you're supposed to put it on, but what I do works for me. Okay, now whilst I wait for my makeup to dry, I'm gonna put my wig on, and then we're gonna try these lip colors and see what's poppin'. Okay guys, so yes, I decided to switch up my hair because, you know, I need to not be lazy. Like, I have all these wigs, but the only wig I wear is my braids wig. So I decided to switch it up. So as I said, I've got two colors that I need to be testing out. I hope they're actually two colors that match each other so that I can do like a line and a liner and then an inner color, but let's see. Oh, okay. To be honest, they look almost exactly the same. This one has kind of like purplish undertones, and this one has like red undertones. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but purplish red. So I think I'm gonna use this one as an outer color and this one as an inner color, and we'll see how it goes. Pearl Next Door, purple undertones. So as you can see, it is drying right now, but it's definitely different colors than I'm used to. But I'm actually feeling this. It's got more like a rougey type, like deep maroon with like yeah, like rouge reddish undertones. And I think the liquid lip just kind of took over. Yeah, so the liquid lip is Rooge, which is I think the majority of the color you're seeing right now. And then the one I lined with was Pearl next door. But I will definitely be using these separately. I like them, definitely. New colors, okay. You know, I can work with this. What do you guys think? Like, let me know. Please comment down below. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I did give kind of like a full tutorial of how to get this look. Definitely fast forwarded through a lot of stuff, but you get the gist. And if you need more tips, definitely go through all my content. I have so many makeup videos. Also, for browsing convenience, I put my videos in playlists. So if you go to my playlist, you'll find all my cooking videos in one playlist. You'll find all my review videos in one playlist. You'll find all my makeup videos in one playlist, all my vlogs, etc, etc. So guys, this is a lifestyle channel. Check out everything. There's something for everybody. And yeah, guys, I'm really feeling this, you know. Like, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you enjoyed that I switched up my wig, because I love this wig. Like, don't get it twisted. I'm just lazy. But it's a new year, new me. We will make the effort. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Definitely subscribe, but don't forget to push that subscribe button, and I will catch you at my next video. Mwah.